Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am here at the construction house, and right now I have this ceiling fan that we are going to try to install here in this hole, right? Where is it? There. That's where it's gonna go. So we're gonna take this thing apart here. We're gonna check it out and see what's inside. Not sure, I can't do it here. So I'm gonna time lapse me putting it together and you guys will see it when it's done. Okay, I got it kind of installed here. I mean, this isn't going to be the final location for it, but you get a general idea of where it's going to, what it's going to do. And let's turn it on here. We have the remote, which lets me do the on/off. I don't know what the best way to show it. You can see I've got a hole next to it where it's going to have to be patched. But you get the idea here. We got light on/off, and then we have our fan and our fan speed and stuff like that. I can push like 1, and it'll do speed 1. And wow, that's a lot of air for just speed 1. So, and it goes all the way up to 6, and then I can turn off the fan with all off. So, wow, that's a good fan. And then we can set it for like an hour to spin for an hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. We have our different settings, forward and reverse we can do. We can do, and then the light on and off and stuff. So, pretty good. And all off just turns everything off when I'm leaving the house. So, look at how nice that is. So, it's cool. I mean, I don't know how great to show it, but let's see if the remote works from way over here. If I do light, yep, there it is, and there's the fan. So cool, I like it. Thumbs up from me.